Hello. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, thanks. What's your name?
My name is Anna. What's yours?
My name is John. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, John.
What do you do every morning?
I wake up, brush my teeth, and have breakfast. How about you?
I usually go for a run, then I take a shower and go to work. What do you like to do in your free time?
I like reading books and watching movies. And you?
I enjoy playing football and singing.
Can you help me, please?
Yes, of course. What do you need?
Could you pass me the water?
Here you go.
Excuse me, how do I get to the post office?
Go straight, then turn left at the 2nd Street. It's on your right.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old. How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Spain. And you?
I'm from Italy.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister. How about you?
No, I'm an only child.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is white. What about yours?
I like green the best.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I had eggs and toast for breakfast. What did you have?
I just had a cup of coffee.
What are you going to do this weekend?
I'm planning to visit my family. And you?
I think I will stay home and relax.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love traveling. How about you?
Traveling is nice, but I don't do it often.
What's your job?
I'm a student. What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What music do you like?
I like pop music. How about you?
I prefer rock music.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. Do you have pets?
No, I don't have any pets.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
I need to go soon then.
How's the weather today?
It's sunny and warm outside.
I love sunny days.
Can you play the guitar?
Yes, I can play a little.
I wish I could play an instrument.
Where did you learn English?
I learned English at school and by watching TV.
Practicing with movies and songs helps me too.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I prefer coffee in the morning and tea in the evening.
I'm a big fan of coffee anytime.
Are you going to the party tonight?
Yes, I'm planning to go. Are you going?
Yes, I'll see you there then.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I enjoy trying new recipes.
Me too. Cooking can be really fun.
It looks like it's going to rain today.
Yes, I brought an umbrella just in case.
You seem very happy today.
I got some good news this morning.
I heard you're moving to a new apartment.
Yes, next month. It's closer to work.
Moving can be exciting. Good luck with your new place.
You have a lovely garden.
Thank you. I spend a lot of time taking care of it.
It shows. Gardening must be relaxing.
Do you know where the nearest ATM is?
Yes, it's just around the corner next to the grocery store.
Thanks. I need to withdraw some money.
I'm thinking about learning a new language.
That sounds like a great idea. Which language?
I haven't decided yet, but I'm leaning towards Spanish.
Do you take sugar in your tea?
Just 1 spoon, please.
Your English is improving.
Thank you. I've been practicing a lot.
Practice makes perfect. Keep it up.
I missed the bus this morning.
That's unfortunate. Did you manage to catch the next one?
Yes, but it made me a little late.
Being late is sometimes out of our control. Don't worry about it.
The library is very quiet today.
Yes, it's a good place to study or read.
I come here to read often.
What's your favorite season?
I love spring because of the flowers.
Winter is my favorite because I like snow.
Have you seen my phone?
Is it the one on the table over there?
Oh, yes. Thank you for helping me find it.
I'm feeling a bit cold.
Would you like me to close the window?
Yes, please. That would be nice.
What are we having for dinner?
We're having pasta and salad tonight.
Sounds delicious. I love pasta.
I need to buy some groceries.
Do you want to go to the market or the supermarket?
The supermarket might have more options.
My head hurts a little.
Maybe you should rest and drink some water.
I think I will. Thanks for the advice.
Let's go after lunch then.
I need to do my homework.
What subject do you have homework in?
Math. It's not my favorite.
I lost my keys.
Have you checked your bag?
Found them. They were in my coat pocket.
What time is the movie?
It starts at 7 p.m.
We should leave soon to get good seats.
I want to make a salad.
Do you need help chopping the vegetables?
Yes, please. That would be great.
It's my birthday next week.
Really? Do you have any plans?
I'm thinking of having a small party.
My phone battery is low.
There's a charger in the living room.
Thanks, I'll use it now.
I'm reading a new book.
What's it about?
It's a mystery novel. Very suspenseful.
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
Maybe an early night would help.
I think you're right. I'll go to bed soon.
The coffee is very hot.
Be careful not to burn yourself. Maybe wait a bit before drinking it.
I'll let it cool down for a few minutes.
Do you have a pen I could borrow?
Sure, here you go.
Thank you. I'll return it after class.
I forgot to bring my lunch.
You can share mine if you'd like.
That's very kind of you. Thank you.
I think I'm lost.
What place are you looking for?
I'm trying to find the central bank.
It is near the main park over there.
I need to wake up early tomorrow.
Do you have an alarm clock?
I'm not feeling well today.
Sorry to hear that. Do you need anything?
We should clean the house today.
I'll vacuum the living room.
I'll clean the kitchen then.
I'm thinking of painting my room.
What color do you have in mind?
Maybe a light blue. It seems calming.
Let's go for a bike ride.
That sounds like fun. Where should we go?
It's my friend's birthday tomorrow.
Are you going to get them a gift?
Yes, I'm thinking of buying a dress.
Can you recommend a good restaurant?
What kind of food do you like?
I'm in the mood for Italian.
I need to buy new shoes.
What kind are you looking for?
Something comfortable for walking.
Do you take milk in your coffee?
Just a little, thank you.
I'll add it for you.
What's the Wi-Fi password here?
It's Hotel 1234.
Thanks, I'm connected now.
Could you turn down the music?
Of course, is this level okay?
Yes, that's much better.
How do I get to the city center from here?
Take the number 5 bus. It goes straight there.
I'm trying to eat healthier.
Me too. Maybe we can share recipes?
Did you finish your homework?
Not yet. I'm stuck on a math problem.
It's really hot outside.
Let's stay indoors where it's cooler.
Did you sleep well last night?
Not really. I went to bed late.
Is it far from here?
No, it's just a 10-minute walk.
Great, we can walk then.
Do you know what time it is?
It's nearly 3 p.m.
Oh, I need to hurry then.
Why are you laughing?
I watched a funny video.
I need to study for my test.
Do you want some quiet or help?
Quiet, please. I need to concentrate.